Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the language in the Star Alliance application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the left. And then at the unit preferences section, click on the select app language button. And then the application will transfer you to your phone's settings. And then if you click on the preferred language section, as you can see, there's one other language that you can set. So just click on the one that you want to use, then go back to your application, and it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.